It takes me 30 minutes cooking or to cook. Listen, guys, in order to tell someone how long it takes you to do something, you should follow this rule. Start with it takes someone time to do something. And to do here is the base verb. So it takes. Me here is the person. 30 minutes is the time. So what do we use here? To do, to plus the base verb. So the answer is to cook. It takes me 30 minutes to cook. And we can put it in the past. Just say, it took me 30 minutes to cook. Also, we can omit the person here. It took 30 minutes to cook without mentioning the person. I was waiting blank sorry. Him to say sorry, for him saying sorry, for him to say sorry. The key verb here is waiting. The rule is wait for someone to do something. And do here is the base verb. Here we have waiting, so we need for. And after for, we have him, which is the person. So after the person, we need to plus the verb. So to say is the answer. I was waiting for him to say sorry. My father is planning for me, blank, a doctor, to become a doctor or becoming a doctor. If you plan for yourself, you say, I plan to do something. If you plan for someone else, so you plan for the person to do something. Here, plan for me means plan for the person, so we use to do here. To plus the verb, to become. My father is planning for me to become a doctor. Thank you for